You worked on a file this morning and then somebody made some changes this afternoon, but your changes have gone. What do? You might have had a backup from last night, a week ago, a month ago, or never. How do you recover from this? We have one simple solution. If you are utilizing Office 365 or even storage with OneDrive, then you will most likely be storing your data in OneDrive or SharePoint. And if that's the case, stay tuned, because there's a brand new feature that we've been testing for the last month, and it's been working wonderful without you needing any expert knowledge. I repeat, no expert knowledge needed. Now, historically, if you've been using storage from Microsoft with OneDrive or SharePoint, and you want to recover a change that somebody made 2 hours ago or 20 minutes ago, you had to go online and work your way around Office 365 to find 3 particular dots. It went like that. And those 3 particular dots allowed you to see previous versions of files. And that's if the setting is turned on. Hopefully all of you have it turned on. If not, you might want to get somebody to check that. Now with OneDrive, you can do this without having to go online. All you have to do is the following steps, which we are going to outline here. You basically have to right click on a file. You will then see options like open, edit, etc., etc. And there will be one for OneDrive about file versions. Now I might have got the wording wrong because I'm not in front of my screen, but the screenshot will show you this just here. When you go into that, you will see all, hopefully all, or just a certain number of previous versions of that file. And you can choose to restore the old one, download the old one, or just open it. And what we would say is, if you're not sure, always have the latest one and the one you think you need. And if it's a Word document, an Excel file, PowerPoint document, the software can help show you what changed between file 1 and file 2. Now, in Word, there is a referencing tab, which you will see across the tabs at the top, for you then to be able to compare 2 files. But by all means, you can always ask your IT support to go over this with you. Now, most likely, if it's a file that you changed the same day, then you will know what changed. You'll be like, a paragraph on page 4 is missing, or I wrote a sentence but it's missing now, or you deleted a sentence which you need to recover back. So those small things you can just quickly copy, paste, save it in the updated file, and then get rid of that duplicate file afterwards. Now, if you accidentally, and this can happen, if you accidentally restore a file when you didn't mean to, or you saved the file over the new one, then in the file history, which you can see here, you can always go back to the second to last one, which was the newest file. So if you find that information useful, please do share it with somebody else that can benefit. And if you can't see that option, now make sure you're on the latest version of Windows 10 and make sure your OneDrive has been updated as of May 2020. Now, if you haven't had updates for a while, you might want to get somebody to check this. And here, what you'll see is a screenshot of the version that we tested this on. We've been testing this on for the last month. It's been working quite well. Now, I know 2 months ago, there were some glitches with this update, but the last 30 days, it has been working well. So if you need any help on this, feel free to contact us using the details below. If you found this video useful, share it with somebody that could benefit, and feel free to subscribe and follow our content. Don't forget to like it so you can see more useful content on Office 365. And finally, Office 365 has now been changed to Microsoft 365. So the product is essentially the same, but the names of the products have changed. And if you want to know more about that, there was a video we posted about 30 days ago which explains all this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.